In this video, you're gonna learn how to find low competition keywords. So whether your site is brand new or just doesn't have a lot of authority, finding low competition keywords is super important for having a chance to rank in Google. Because the fact is, most keywords in Google are getting more and more competitive. So it's important to find those hidden gems that you actually have a chance to rank for. The problem is finding those hidden gems. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to find low competition keywords in your niche in a few minutes. So without further ado, let's get into the exact steps. So your first step is to head over to the Keyword Magic tool and enter a seed keyword into the tool that's related to your niche. So the good thing about this tool is that it will cover every keyword under the sun related to the keyword that you typed in. In this case, if you type in content marketing, there are 33,659 keywords. So every keyword that's related to content marketing is on this list already. That's the good news. The bad news is, how do you find keywords that are relevant and also low competition? I'm going to show you a few ways to do it in this video. The first of which, in my opinion, is one of the easiest, is instead of clicking all, go to questions. The reason for that is that questions in general, not always, are lower competition than non-questions. So especially some more niche questions that maybe not like the highest volume keyword, but also is relevant to your business. So in the case of how content marketing drives sales, this is a great piece of content. If you run an agency, a client might be searching for, because they might say, okay, I kind of want to get into content marketing, but I don't really understand how content actually leads to people buying stuff. And that's where in your piece, you could cover exactly that. Or what does a content marketer do? So this is where you could cover the job function of a content marketer, places they work, what they tend to do, why content marketing matters. This could be why it's important. So again, some questions will be competitive, especially when it comes to like, what is the thing, or, some basic questions around a topic. But some of these niche questions usually aren't that competitive, and they have a decent search volume and sometimes commercial intent. This is kind of my first protocol if I am looking for low competition keywords, is look up a topic and then find questions. Questions are usually going to be where a lot of those hidden gems are, because they're low competition and they're relatively high intent in terms of someone maybe looking to buy something. What is the best thing to do here, or whatever. Now you want to go back to all, or you can keep questions on, it's up to you. The most straightforward way to find low competition keywords in this list is to sort by keyword difficulty and start at 0. The problem with this is that a lot of these keywords are zero competition for a reason, because they're not really that valuable, or they're just weird. And that's actually why I like starting with questions, because this can help you find keywords that people are actually searching for, have a lot of potential for creating content around, as opposed to content marketing is like a first date. Like, what is that, right? That's the type of keyword that, yeah, it's low competition, but do you really want to target it? So that's one way to do it, and just go through the list. You'll probably find some gems in here that you can go after, but it'll take quite a bit of digging. The last way to do it, and the way I kind of recommend actually, is go to keyword difficulty and just go to easy. Because very easy, like you've seen, will include a lot of keywords that aren't really that valuable. But if you go to easy, in my opinion, it sort of has the best of both worlds. Like, there's some competition, which shows people are creating content around it, but it's not super competitive either. It's that balance. And keyword difficulty 15 versus 5 is more or less the same. It's pretty much very little competition. So for example, like B2B content marketing agencies, that's a great keyword. That's a great keyword. It's super targeted. If you run a B2B content marketing agency or in that world at all, that's a great keyword. That's super high intent keyword, and it's very low competition. Or B2B content marketing audit. This is another great niche keyword where you can go over some of the differences that you might encounter when doing a content audit for a B2C huge news website versus a B2B website. Or content marketing for manufacturers. A little bit niche, obviously, but if you're in the content marketing space, then this could be something that manufacturers are searching for, and you can get in front of them with relatively low competition. So you just learned how to find low competition keywords. So hopefully you found a handful of keywords that you can go create content and pages about right now. And I'll see you in the next video.